ready to discover which are the top 5 reasons to start an online business and start working from home? If the answer is yes, this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 reasons or benefits to start an online an online business and work from home. Okay, this is actually going to be based on my experience. Just in case that you don't know, let me tell you a little bit about myself. Well, I started my online journey back in 2007. Yeah, you hear it right, 2007. At that time, I was doing something 100% different of what I'm doing right now. Well, maybe 90%. Anyways, I was blogging. That's what the thing I was doing at the time. It was a great business model and I was able to scale it. I had a blog network. Unfortunately, I met the wrong person at the wrong time and that person scammed me. So I suffered a huge scam. And although a lot of people are focused on the money, I can tell you that the most important thing, and it was affected, it was my mindset. I was guilty. I was not treating me well. I was like blaming myself for what happened. I was like, well, if this is happening to me, it's because I deserve it. So my mindset was pretty bad. And if you have ever have some kind of debts, I mean, with banks, you know that they don't care who use the money. It is everything under your name. You have to pay it. And that was my case. I have uh, bank loans, credit cards. So I had to, well, I was actually forced to sell my online business and not find one, but two full-time jobs. So that's what happening to me. So, as an entrepreneur, I was like, I was barely making it. I was living paycheck to paycheck. Yeah, I had two really good positions in these companies that I was working for, but I was struggling. I was looking for a way in which I can earn maybe $300 extra, $500 extra, $1,000 extra. That was a win for me at the time. I was, to be honest, not looking to replace the jobs because, again, because of my mindset, I was not believing in myself. Okay, but things changed. I tried different things, and I can tell you that if you believe it and you're consistent and you're committed with yourself and your success, you can actually achieve what you want. And at the end, I was able to replace two full-time jobs. I have been working from home for the last, since late 2018. And well, it's been a journey. So that's the reason why I'm sharing a lot of information here on my YouTube channel and all this stuff. And that's the reason why I'm also creating this video because you need to believe in you. You need to believe in your success. It doesn't matter what success means to you because it has a different definition for everybody. You can definitely achieve your goals. So these are my top 5 reasons to start an online business and work from home. It doesn't matter if you are right now just looking, to earn some extra income, the same I was, doing before, or if you are really committed to replace your full-time job. Okay. This is definitely something that is actually possible, but there are some things that you need to understand. And okay, first of all, you need to understand that with an online business, scalability is definitely something that you can do. Okay, you can grow this business super fast or faster than a regular offline business. You don't have any kind of limitation like, hey, I can only serve people in my community. I can only serve people in the language. Right now with AI, I have seen so really cool and interesting things. That it can do the translation. So it is literally amazing. And if you're thinking about creating a business, uh, think think it wisely, okay? Yeah, I know that we want to earn some extra money here and there, some cash, quick cash. But take into consideration that if you cannot scale it, maybe that's not the route. Okay. Maybe that's not the route. Try to picture yourself like, how do you want your business to look like in 3 years, in 5 years? Okay. And to see if there is, there is this scalability opportunity. Another cool thing about an online business, especially if you're a person like me, if you were struggling, hardly making it to the end of the month, there is a low startup cost. Okay. If you compare it with a traditional franchise, okay, you don't need to pay $100,000. And there is a reason why you're paying that amount. Although you can fail with a franchise, it's because they give you everything. They give you all the marketing. They give you all the supplies. They tell you exactly what you have to do. But also there is a lot of risk involved. Although you have this roadmap, this blueprint, okay, there is always risk involved. With an online job, you can literally start with $100, a couple of $100, to be honest, and you can have your business up and running super fast as well. Depending if you have some kind of expertise or if you're a newbie, I have seen people who literally have their website, well, not their website, their online business, generally speaking, up and running in less than 24 hours. I have seen others who, they are just getting started and they have everything up running in 15 days or even less because it's simple. Okay. Having an online business is simple, but you need to understand that everything that is brand new at the beginning, you need to take massive action because you're learning things. Okay. So take this into consideration. There is a low startup cost and also it's going to give you freedom. Okay. But the freedom, it started in my case because I had two full-time jobs. So I was looking for a way in which I can earn money while I was on my two full-time jobs. So having a third job definitely was not an option. I didn't have time for that. Okay. These were full-time jobs, not part-time. Okay. So the very first freedom I received was the fact that I can do it in my time. Okay, of course, because I have less time than everybody, it took me a little bit longer, to see my results. And by results, I mean money wise. Okay, because there are different results that you can see on your online business. But after that, it was a matter of keeping the momentum. Okay, so that was my very first freedom. Okay, that I received, the fact that I can do it on my time, in my terms. But again, you need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed that you're going to do it, that it doesn't matter how long it takes. You are going to be consistent. After that, again, I was able to replace my full-time jobs. I was even able to move to another country. I travel because, I have the location freedom. I have the time freedom. Um, for me, it doesn't matter is it Monday morning or is a Saturday evening, you know, I have the freedom to do literally whatever I want, whenever I want, enjoy my life, enjoy the time with my family. Okay. And I'm not talking about being a millionaire, but, have the opportunity to spend time with your loved one or even with yourself, you know, take into consideration that in my case, I was able to move two times to two different countries. Okay. I was even able to travel and I was not worried about like, okay, I need to find a job. I need to do this. How I'm going to be earning money? How I'm going to be, uh, doing this and doing that. No. Okay. So that's something that I really, really like. It's the fact that I have freedom. Okay. Also, this is something that you can do worldwide. This is also related to scalability and related to freedom. Okay. But in this case, is whenever you're getting customers, okay, you're not limited to your location. You're not limited to your city. You're not limited to your country. Okay. Literally, you can get customers from all over the world. which is actually really amazing. So this is also something that is a huge benefit. There is no limit to how much money you can earn. Okay. Of course, this is a business. That means that you're not having a salary, but you can earn as much money as you want. If you can do one sale, you can do 1,000 sales. If you can earn $1,000, you can earn $10,000. Even if you earn $1, that proves that you can do it. Okay, you just need to keep moving. You just need to keep moving forward. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So as you can see, these are really good reasons, at least for me, to start an online business. Okay, to start an online business. If your dream was at least you have the opportunity to travel, to, learn more about cultures firsthand. I mean, being there, you know, definitely this is a great opportunity. If you are maybe like me, living paycheck to paycheck, having hard times at the end of the month, and you want to earn an extra $100, $300, $1,000, even way more, because I told you I was able to replace two full-time jobs. This is definitely something that you must give it a try. And you need to understand that you need to treat this as a business. It is an online business. Yeah, it is true that there is a low startup cost. Okay. It's moved way faster than whatever you do offline. In order to be on profit, it's also way easier, but you need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. Okay. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.